In the second video for accounting ratios, we will discuss the second liquidity ratio, that is quick ratio. It is also known as liquid ratio or acid test ratio. Now it is the ratio of quick assets or liquid assets to current liability. It is expressed as quick assets is to current liabilities or quick assets divided by current liabilities. Now in the previous video we had discussed about current ratio, which was the relation between current assets and current liabilities. Okay, so what is the difference between quick assets and current assets? From current assets, if we exclude inventories, prepaid expenses, okay, then it is quick assets. Okay, so quick assets are those assets which can be easily converted into cash. While calculating quick assets, we exclude the inventories at the end and other current assets such as prepaid expense, advance tax, etc. Now to understand that, let's take one question. Inventories 80,000, trade receivables 1 lakh rupees, prepaid expense 8,000, cash and cash equivalent 60,000, trade payables 70,000, and short term borrowing, that is bank overdraft 8,000 rupees. In this, inventory, trade receivable, prepaid expense, cash and cash equivalents are current assets. Trade payables and short term borrowings are current liabilities. We have to calculate quick assets. So while calculating quick assets, we will include only trade receivables and cash equivalents. So 1 lakh plus 60,000, it is 1 lakh 60,000. Or the other way, let's calculate the total value of current assets, that is 80,000 plus 1 lakh plus 8,000 and 60,000, that is 2 lakh 48,000. From that, inventories and prepaid expenses will be deducted. So 2 lakh 48,000 minus 88,000, we will get quick assets equal to 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. Now current liabilities, trade payables plus bank overdraft 72,000 plus 8,000 is 80,000 rupees. So quick ratio is quick assets divided by current liabilities. 1 lakh 60,000 divided by 80,000, the ratio is 2:1. X Limited has another question where current ratio and quick ratio is given and the relation between them is mentioned. Okay, like inventories is mentioned. In current assets, inventories is included, whereas in current quick assets, inventories are not included. So the difference between current asset and quick asset is inventory, 24,000 rupees. So current ratio is 3.5:1 and quick ratio is 2:1. So current ratio is mentioned in the question. Let's assume, let's take current liabilities equal to X. So current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liability. When we solve it, current assets divided by X, in place of current liabilities we are using unknown value X, is equal to 3.5 upon 1. When we cross multiply, we get current assets is equal to 3.5 times X, that is current liabilities. In the same manner, when we solve the equation, this quick assets upon current liability is equal to 2:1. So quick assets is equal to 2 times X. And as mentioned earlier, the difference between current assets and quick assets is the value of inventory, assuming that other prepaid expenses are nil. So inventories, current assets minus quick assets is equal to inventory. The value of inventory mentioned in the question is 24,000. From the equation, we calculated current assets is equal to 3.5 times X or current liabilities, and quick assets is 2 times x. The difference 24,000 is equal to 1.5 times x. So the value of x comes to 16,000. That is current liabilities is equal to x equal to 16,000 rupees. So quick assets 2 times x, 2 into 16, 32,000 rupees. And for current assets 3.5 times x, that is 56,000 rupees. Similar question is there. All of you practice it and send the solution to me.